Hey everyone, my name's Jeremy. I'm with the Virginia Beach Public Library. Welcome to Finger Gym. So you should already have your inventory to go kits. This is going to have everything we're going to use today in order to make ourselves our own robot. So what you should have with you in your kit is listed on the side, but you should have one circuit board. Your circuit board is going to be the body of your robot. So this is going to kind of be our little hub. You should have two uncut, full-sized pipe cleaners. These are going to be used to thread through our circuit boards. You should have one head with a hole pre-punched inside of it. And then you should have a song card with the lyrics for our song that we're going to be using today. And you should have 10 pony beads of assorted colors. They're going to look kind of like this. And there's going to be 10 of those. And then you're also going to have your eyes, like this, that we're going to be gluing to our head. You should have two pre-cut pipe cleaners. These are going to be used to make the arms of our robot. And you should also have assorted buttons that we're going to be threading onto our robot's body on our circuit board. And we have a bracket to secure our robot's head. And we also have one star sticker that we can stick to our robot as well. So adults, these activities are designed to give your children a chance to practice important fine motor skills. For example, today we're going to be going over pinching small objects with fingertips, tearing, manipulating small objects, squeezing glue bottles, threading, sewing, lacing, cutting, snipping, those sorts of things. The most important thing that you can do is encourage your children, help them when they need it, but not to actually perform the activity for them. The children need to be able to figure it out with your support, of course. Okay, so the first activity that we're going to work on is we're going to make our robot's body. So we're going to have pieces fastened to our little circuit board here, and that's going to form the robot's body. So what you'll need are your circuit board here, and you're going to need two of the long pipe cleaners. If you grab all the pipe cleaners in your kit, these are going to be the two longest ones. And those are the ones we're going to use for the body. And then all the different things we're going to fasten to our robot's body are the 10 pony beads, the 3 buttons, and our star sticker. All right. So how you're going to do this is you're going to take the circuit board, and it has these little holes all over it. And you can take your pipe cleaner and you can thread it through the hole just like this. And then all these different pieces, like your button, you can thread onto your circuit board. And then you just thread it back through another hole, and it will fasten your button to your circuit board. And you can just do that with all sorts of different pieces. To do the next one, you can just bring your pipe cleaner back through into another hole. It doesn't matter which one you pick. And then you just fasten more items to your circuit board, just like that. And once you've done a number of them, it'll end up looking something like that. And you just fasten all the different pieces to it using both this one and your other one. And when you're done with a piece, in order to lock it onto one side, all you really have to do is just curl and scrunch up the end of it, and then it'll be secure and it won't come through on the other side. Okay, so the next activity that we're going to move on to is we're going to design the arms of our robot here. So this is the robot body that I finished from our last activity. And I also have now the shorter of the pipe cleaners that should be in your kit. So this should end up, when all taken apart, you should have 4 pieces of 2 different colors. And what you're going to do to make one of the arms is you're going to take the 2 pieces and pinch the color together and twist. Just like that. And what that's going to do is create a spiral of color that we're going to use as the arms of our robot. So you just keep pinching and twisting all the way down until you've made a big spiral out of both, and it is just one piece. Just like that. So now I have just one piece, and I can fasten one end to my body using the holes we used before, and then the other end I can just pinch out and form into the hand of our robot, just like that. So I have the hand, and then I'm going to take one color and put it through the hole and pinch it together with the other color to fasten it. And there we go. We've got one arm on our robot. Okay, so the next step we have is we're going to make a head for our robot, and then we're going to stick our head onto our robot's body. So what you'll need for this part is you'll need this green half circle that has the hole punched in it. You'll need this bracket, which we're going to use to fix our robot's head to the body. And then you'll have 2 eyeballs. As you can see on this one, we just used 1, but you can use 1 or 2 eyeballs for your robot. And then you're just going to need some glue, because that's how we're going to fix the eyes onto the head. So what you're going to do is take your eyeballs and turn them upside down and take out your glue. And you're just going to put a little dot of glue on the back of each eyeball. And then you just fasten the eyeballs to the head of your robot. And then once we have the eyeballs fastened to the head of our robot, we're going to take our body. I have both the arms on there now. And we're going to take our bracket, and that is going to get stuck right through the little hole on our robot's head. And then you can take the pointed part here and put that right through one of the holes we've been using on our robot's body. Now to secure that part, you're going to bend each piece of the sharp part on the back until it looks like that. And what that'll do is that will secure the head to the body. And it'll end up looking like that. So moving on to our last activity, we're going to grab our song cards and we're going to sing the robot song. It's sung to the tune of The Wheels on the Bus, if you know that song already. So we're going to do the first verse, and then once we get the hang of it, we're going to go through the whole song together. So the first verse goes, "The arms of the robot swing up and down, up and down, up and down. The arms of the robot swing up and down, all around the room." All right, so I'm going to sing the rest of our song. We're going to sing it together, and I'm going to sing it along with the robot we just made. Ready? The arms of the robot swing up and down, up and down, up and down. The arms of the robot swing up and down, all around the room. The head of the robot turns side to side, side to side, side to side. The head of the robot turns side to side, all around the room. The buttons of the robot blink on and off, on and off, on and off. The buttons on the robot blink on and off, all around the room. The voice of the robot says beep, 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 beep. The voice of the robot says beep, 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 all around the room. All right, thanks for joining me in building our robot together. I hope you had a good time, and I hope to see you for our next Finger Gym, which will be releasing on February 28th. That's going to be superheroes, and you can start registering for that on February 14th.